Police have responded to an alleged explosion heard in Glover Park, Washington, D.C., near where the Russian embassy is located. Several people who heard the explosion took to social media to ask about it, as law enforcement officers and the Secret Service reportedly arrived and searched the area. There is no official word on what caused the explosion, which was also reportedly heard in Cathedral Heights, but it may have been a blown electrical transformer. Protesters gathered in Glover Park last Thursday, outside the Russian embassy, where they held flags and signs that called for the end of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. One of the protesters' signs read, "Put and burn in HLL," with another reading, "Never again." Protesters also carried Ukrainian flags along with American flags. Russian President Vladimir Putin is a tyrant, a protester told Doc, and the fact that he is being allowed to march into another sovereign country is absolutely disgusting, and it needs to be stopped. Thousands of protesters supporting Ukraine also marched to the White House on Sunday, demanding the Biden administration do more as Russian forces attempted a siege of Ukraine's capital city of Kyiv. First of all, I would like that all the civilized countries unite and cut Russia from SWIFT, a protester told Fox News. Secondly, help close the sky, and thirdly, spread the word because this is just the beginning of World War III. We don't want this to happen. Many U.S. cities, and other major cities around the world, have seen similar pro-Ukrainian rallies.